The Oura Ring 4 is here, and it's more important than ever with increasing competition from the Samsung Galaxy Ring, Ultra Human, Ring-Con, and Circular. To stay ahead, Oura has refined its design, improved tracking accuracy, introduced new metrics, and extended battery life compared to the Gen 3. The Oura Ring 4 keeps its signature sleek look with 6 finishes: silver, black, brushed silver, stealth, gold, and rose gold. Silver and black are the most affordable, while gold and rose gold are the premium options. A new etching on the ring serves as a guide to ensure the sensors are correctly positioned, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Ring. The sensor platform now sits more discreetly, and the interior is fully encased in titanium, making it more comfortable to wear. The new design is fully circular, aligning with rival rings, but still maintains a unique premium look. However, like previous models, it's still prone to scratches, though less so than Ultra Human's ring, but not as resistant as Samsung's. For sizing, Oura now offers sizes 4 through 15, an expansion from Gen 3's 6 to 13. Due to design tweaks, Oura recommends testing a ring for at least 24 hours to ensure the best fit. The Oura Ring 4 tracks sleep, steps, stress, heart health, and temperature, powered by a new optical sensor platform for improved accuracy across various skin tones and finger shapes. However, a monthly or annual subscription is required for full access to insights. The readiness metric remains a key feature, helping users determine whether they should take it easy or push through their day. Heart rate tracking has improved, especially during exercise, but it's still not as reliable as a chest strap. While it detects workouts well and integrates with Strava, it's best for steady pace exercises rather than intense HIIT sessions. Sleep tracking is where Oura truly excels. Compared to Samsung's Galaxy Ring and Garmin's sleep tracking, the Oura Ring 4 delivers strong, reliable data. It also tracks daytime stress, helping users understand when and why stress levels rise throughout the day. Additional features include caffeine intake tracking, cardiovascular age insights, and a symptom radar. Oura remains the only smart ring manufacturer supported by the FDA-approved Natural Cycles app for cycle tracking, making it a standout choice for some users. The Oura app is now more feature-packed but remains user-friendly, offering engaging insights at a glance. Battery life is improved, lasting up to 8 days depending on usage and ring size. Smaller sizes, like our size 8, typically last closer to 5 days, especially with blood oxygen sensing enabled. While better than the Gen 3's battery, it's still outperformed by Ring-Con's 12-day battery and Samsung's Galaxy Ring, which lasts about a week. Charging is done via a cradle, taking 20 to 80 minutes depending on battery level. The design has been slightly upgraded, but Samsung and Ring-Con's portable charging cases still offer a more convenient solution. The Oura Ring 4 is available through Oura's website, as well as retailers like John Lewis in the UK and Amazon and Best Buy in the US. Prices start at $349 for silver and black, $399 for brushed silver and stealth, and $499 for gold and rose gold. The required subscription adds $5.99 per month or $69.99 annually. Compared to rivals, Samsung's Galaxy Ring costs $399 with no subscription. Other options like the Ultra Human Ring Air, Circular Smart Ring Slim, and Ring-Con Gen 2 offer subscription-free alternatives at competitive prices. If you want a stylish, comfortable smart ring with great sleep tracking and an engaging app experience, the Oura Ring 4 is a top contender. Compared to the Gen 3, it offers better battery life, improved heart rate tracking, and a more comfortable fit. However, if battery life is your priority, the Ring-Con Gen 2 lasts longer. And if you want to avoid subscriptions, there are more affordable alternatives. While not perfect in every category, the Oura Ring 4 remains one of the best smart rings available today.